For this problem, we have to check two values to make sure that they are true, and they both have to come out with a 1. So we're going to store a negative 74 in for the x first, and we're going to check x plus 7 quantity squared like it shows equals an 81. And let's see if that works out. No, that does not. So we can cross off answer choice F, and we don't even have to test the 88. So now we want to store a negative 2 for the x because we're moving on to answer choice G. And let's plug that one in. Negative, nope, x plus 7 quantity squared equals 81. And let's see if that comes out. That one does not come out as true. So now we want to try, we can cross off answer choice G. Let's plug in a negative 88. Let's store that. And we will go x plus 7 quantity squared equals an 81. That does not return a 1. So let's store a negative 16 for the x. And let's check this one. Negative 16. No, goodness. Check this one. X plus 7 quantity squared equals an 81. And that returned a 1. And let's just check to make sure that we didn't maybe make a typo on one of the other problems. Let's go ahead and check the 2 and just make sure that it works. So when I type in x plus 7 quantity squared, let's see, du equal an 81. And yes, that returned a 1 as well. So that means that both of these values worked. You do want to check both of them because if you had gotten one of these other ones to work, you want to check because they could trick you and make the other one not work. So the correct answer here is J.